1 pound of ground beef cut in fourths, and then again, so that we have 8 separate little balls. And bread, I went ahead and bought some bread at the store. And these nondescript ranch style dressing, which I'm gonna use to make the sauce. Pour 1 cup approximately, cup and a half. You use 1 teaspoon of cumin. Nice serving. Half a cup of dill peppers, dill pickles, coarsely diced. A squirt of mustard, and then mix. This is gonna be amazing sauce. Now I need 1 onion and my mise-en blade. Make sure you cut it about this thick, which is about 1 inch thick. That's what you're going to use to cook it first on one side, and then you're gonna flip it over and cook the rest on the other. Get 1 ancho chili pepper. Make sure that you toast the outside and take off all the extra skin, and then we're gonna devein this baby. Once deveined, then you start turning them into rajas. Rajas means little strips. Now you're gonna need some lettuce, and I've chosen some romaine lettuce. I just love the flavor. You can cut it so that it's 1 leaf per burger, or you can hit it in slices, and I like shredded lettuce better. Now it's time to butter the bread. What I like to do is get a chunk of butter, put it into a hot pan, which is what this is. Come on, hot pan. You don't have to wait too long, and then it'll start crisping up like this, and this is exactly the color you want. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Little butter and bread. We're gonna do the same thing with the onion. Put the butter on and put the onion. Oh yeah. We're gonna wait until that starts cooking the bottom, and then from there we're gonna flip it over. What we wanna do is we wanna make sure that we're sprinkling with enough seasoning, salt on one side of each one of our meatballs. Then with the pan nice and hot, we're gonna drop 1, and then we're gonna drop 2 of these nice balls and squish them. That's what it's supposed to look like. I know you're thinking, what? You crushed them! Nope, that is exactly what it needs to be. Then, pick this baby up. Make sure you get all the crust on the inside. Flip it over. Take this side off. Flip that over. Add some cheese to that. Wait till this caramelizes just a little bit. Take this and put it on top of that. It's time to plate our hamburger. Let's get our special sauce. Put that on one side. It is amazing looking. Add our lettuce, like so. Rajas, and cut them into bite sizes. And we're going to put this on top of that. Add 2 or 3 tomatoes. And number 3, here it goes. And then make sure we get our burger. And we want to make sure we get all of this beautiful flavor off of this pan. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Put all of that on this. Come on, right off the skin. There you go. And that is what we're looking for. Believe it or not, we forgot the onions. Let's take 2 or 3 of these bad boys and put that on top. Oh yeah. Make sure we have enough of this. Put this baby on. That is what I'm looking for. Oh yeah. I like them apples. Amazing. Now that's a homemade burger.